Okay, here we are at the Hardway Garage, March 23rd, 2019. Haven't done a video for a while, so I thought I would do this because I'm doing some work on this BMW. Just a quick look around, not a lot has changed. We had a big sale here in February, sold a lot of stuff. My 66 pickup is still in progress, hope to get to that this year. A few things left over from the sale, some Homecrest furniture, garden cart, some wheels. Got a lot of bikes. I'm rebuilding a few Schwinn's for the grandkids up in South Haven. Drew's still got the Camaro, which he's trying to sell. And he's got this sweet, I think this is a 76 GMC High Sierra that he's been working on, bought it in Granger. Right by our house, actually. Had a smoker engine in it. Put another 350 in there. It's working out real well. Nothing else too exciting around here. Kind of trying to get cleaned up and get in order to get going on my truck here. 66 pickup. Just a quick walk around. Drew's Jeep he picked up last summer up in Grand Haven, I think it was. Nice deal for himself. A few items left over from the sale here on the bench, some tools and whatnot. So anyway, I'm going to cut this short and then I'm going to get into this BMW and show you what I've been doing on it.